Tonight, a sweeping legislative package at the heart of President Trump's second-term agenda has cleared a critical hurdle in the Senate. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act, nearly 1,000 pages long, covers everything from taxes to health care. The Senate's narrow 51-49 vote sets up a high-stakes debate and a marathon amendment process known as Vote-A-Rama. Supporters say the bill will boost the economy and fund national priorities, while critics warn of rising debt and threats to social safety nets. If the Senate passes the bill, it must return to the House for final approval, a process complicated by razor-thin margins. Republican leaders are racing to deliver the bill to President Trump before the July 4th recess. President Trump promised to eliminate federal taxes on Social Security benefits, but that's not in this bill. Instead, the legislation offers a new $6,000 bonus standard deduction for seniors, phasing out for higher earners. This targeted relief is temporary, set to expire after 2028, leaving its future uncertain. Supporters say it helps retirees, but critics argue it complicates the tax code and falls short of Trump's pledge. Meanwhile, Social Security's trust funds are projected to run dry by 2034, and this bill doesn't address the program's solvency. Opponents warn that cutting revenue now could make future fixes even harder. The bill introduces strict new work requirements for Medicaid recipients, requiring most adults to work, train, or volunteer 80 hours a month. Recipients would also need to re-enroll every 6 months, a move supporters say prevents fraud, but critics fear will cause many to lose coverage. The bill allocates $25 billion to support struggling rural hospitals from 2028 to 2032. Proponents argue these changes encourage self-sufficiency and protect rural health care. Opponents, including many advocacy groups, say the requirements are punitive and will leave millions uninsured. The debate highlights deep divisions over the future of health care for low-income Americans. The bill delivers on Trump's promise to exempt tips and overtime pay from federal taxes, though the benefit phases out for high earners. It raises the cap on state and local tax deductions to $40,000 for many families, offering relief in high-tax states. The child tax credit would increase, with the Senate proposing a permanent $2,200 per child and expanded eligibility for some immigrant families. The bill also ends Biden-era tax credits for clean energy and electric vehicles, phasing them out by 2028. Supporters say these changes simplify taxes and boost take-home pay. Critics argue the bill favors the wealthy and undermines climate policy. The fate of these provisions will be decided in the coming days. The bill represents a clash of economic visions. Republicans tout growth and tax relief, while Democrats call it a giveaway to the wealthy. The White House claims the bill will reduce the deficit, but independent estimates project trillions in lost revenue and added debt. The bill also raises the debt ceiling by up to $5 trillion, sparking divisions even within the GOP. The Senate faces a marathon debate and amendment process that could reshape the bill overnight. If it passes, the House must approve the changes before it reaches President Trump. The outcome will test Trump's influence and the GOP's unity. The next few days will determine the fate of this landmark legislation. To stay informed on the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts.